These disasters left scars on history. For Mount Tambora, 1815. Its eruption caused a year without summer. 3 Shanxi earthquake, 1556. Killed over 800,000 people in China. 2 China floods, 1931. Left millions dead and homeless. 1 Indian Ocean tsunami, 2004. One of the deadliest disasters in modern times. Which one shocked you the most?